how to export your expenses in Splitwise. Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to export your expenses in Splitwise. So you can typically export your expenses from Splitwise. These features allow you to download your expenses data in the format that can be easily imported into other application or use for personal record keeping. So here's how you can export your expenses in Splitwise. First of all, launch the Splitwise app on your mobile device, and then you could go to the section of the app where you can see expenses are listed, or you could just go ahead and tap on add expenses, and here you need to go ahead and enter in the information of the particular user. And when you've done that, you need to look for an option or a menu item that allows you to export your expenses. In the Splitwise app, the option is often found in the settings or account management section, and on the website it may be located in the settings or account dashboard itself. And you could go ahead and select the format in which you want to export your expenses. Splitwise typically offers options such as CSVs, that is comma separate values, or PDF. You could go ahead and choose a format that best suits your need. Now, some export option may allow you to specify a data range for the expenses you want to export. You could go and choose the data range you're interested in if these options are available. And once you've selected the export format, if applicable, the data range, initiates the export process. Splitwise will generate the export file containing your expenses data. Now, after the export is completed, you'll be promoted to download the export file to your device. You would go ahead and follow the on-screen instructions to download the file or to a location of your choice. So that's how you can export your expenses in Splitwise. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.